All right, hey there, Wade Sellers here, and in this video we're going to talk quickly. All right, hey there, Wade Sellers here, and in this video we're going to talk quickly about operator precedence. Now, if you remember in your math classes, when you would have a long equation, there were rules like you have to do the multiplication before the addition and the subtraction, right? I remember learning it as PEMDAS, which stood for Please Excuse My Dear Aunt Sally, which was parentheses, exponents, right? Division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. The same works in code as well. Different operator operations will be completed before others. So let me show you something. We might do something like, we could do something like 8 plus 4. And then we might do 8 plus 5 plus 11, right? And we go ahead and run these, and you'll see, 8 plus 4 equals 12, and 8 plus 5 plus 11 equals 24, okay? Now, if we do some subtraction, and we know that like no matter how many addition statements, we're just going to continue to go left to right, right? Now, what if we did like 9 minus 2 minus 3, right? Now we know the same would be like 9 minus 2 is 7, minus 3 is 4, right? And if we run the code, we'll find that's true, right? So what if we did something like this instead? What if we did 9 minus parenthesis 2 minus 3? What would happen here? Well, we know from math, we would do 2 minus 3 is -1, and then it would be 9 minus -1, which is 9 plus 1, right? And it would be 10. So we go from 9 minus 2 minus 3 equals 4, and now that we have the parenthesis there, you're going to see 10, right? 9 minus -1 technically is what's going on there. So I have it up here in comments. You can check it out and pause the video, and you can see what has precedence. And it's very similar to what you knew in math, but we have some extra signs as well. So we start with parenthesis, then you have your multiplication, division, and also notice that modulus fits in here, all right? If you do a modulus operation to get the remainder of two numbers when you divide them, that sits there. Then addition, subtraction. Then your comparison operators afterwards. So if you have 9 plus 2 is greater than 10 plus 4, you're going to compare after you do the addition of those statements there, okay? So it's good to know that, and equality and inequality will go after that, and then assignment and compound operators, which we have not talked about yet, but we will in the next video, like equals, or actually, I'm going to save it right there. We'll talk about compound operators in the next video. So that is operator precedence. It's a good thing to know. Play around with it here in Playground Book. Just do different math operations and see what happens. See if you get the answer you expect to get based on the rules that you already know from your math classes. It's pretty similar. All right, with that, I will see you in the next video for compound operators.